down to the ground. You're dragging me. It's constantly. No, Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video, I'm going to try on this Afro Braided Wig. If you find this video entertaining or interesting, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I love the pain. It sets me free. Actually introduced to you almost the same style, but the difference is just the front part, this front styling. This is color 133, and then this is how it looks. So in case you receive this wig and then you see some white patches of the lace, just apply a foundation to make it blend well with your complexion. So like I was saying, I introduced almost the same style to you before, but the only difference is how it looks on the front part of the wig. I tried to change it to a different style on the front part so that, you know, it creates a different look. So guys, just comment down below also if you love the first one or if you love this style. So this wig is color 133, and then it has an adjustable strap at the back. I always sew a band just to make it more secure, but you can wear it with just the adjustable strap, it's still secure. But for this style, I always add a band. So guys, if you're interested in any of my wigs or this one, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below, so you can contact me and I'll send it to you. Also, just comment down below guys if you love this style, and then also if you want the style with baby hair or if you want this wig with baby hair, just let me know when you're placing your order. But just know the price of this, the one without baby hair and the one that has baby hair, the prices are different. Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, telling myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the truth. Oh, now I'm on the ground. I know the truth. So guys, that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And also if you love this wig, I'll leave all the details in the comment section down below on how you can contact me. See you in my next video. Bye. I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out.